Hello, hey, and my name is Ray Purcell. And I've been married to my wife, Carrie, for almost 40 years. And let me tell you right up front, Carrie hates to do these videos. And you know what? That's okay. You know what? Because we've been retired for almost 3+ years. And the last thing I want to do, and that the last thing she wants to do, is do another job. So what we try to do when we do our YouTube videos, or my YouTube videos really, is sharing the experiences that we've had for the past 3+ years. To give you a little background, Carrie and I retired a little over 3 years ago. We sold everything that we have. We travel the world for about 4 or 5 months out of a time, go back, see the kids, the grandkids, and so on, and then leave again. We sold it all. I travel with a suitcase. She has a suitcase. That's all we have. Now, the thing is, traveling at the age of 60. Is this something that you can do, or is this something that you want to do? Or maybe you're thinking, there's no way that we could possibly travel and travel the globe at the age of 60. Well, I want to tell you inside of this video here that if you're thinking about it, I'm telling you, you can do it. Now, this type of travel is not for everybody. It takes a little bit of work. It takes a little bit of energy. But what we decided to do is that we wanted to travel internationally while we were still fairly young. What I want to do now is I really want to try and focus my time, my energy to try to help you if you're thinking, whether you're at our age of the age of 60 or even younger, and thinking about traveling the globe full time like we do. So this channel is really for you. Now, what do we want to accomplish within this channel, within these videos that we want to share with you? Well, number one, what I want to do is I really want to do a better job at our itinerary. I want to share daily itineraries, the things that we're going to do each day. Now, that doesn't mean that I'm going to be able to do a video for every single day that we have. Number two, what I want to do is I really want to do a better job at sharing our budget, or the money that we spend while we are in each place. Now, what I'll tell you what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to give you all the miscellaneous where I went to a 7-Eleven, I got a cup of coffee, or I went and got a bottle of water. I'm going to share the things like, our travel, whether it be a flight, whether it be a train, whether it be a car rental. I'll share, some of the larger food cost items if we're going out to eat, or if we are going to shop in a store. I'll share, Grabs or Ubers or things like that, and trains. I'll share some of those transportation costs. I'll share the lodging, whether we're in a hotel, whether we're in a resort, whether we're in an Airbnb. I'll share those little things to hopefully help you as you start looking at and deciding whether this is for you. And then number three, I really want to try to keep these videos as short as possible, but also sharing those videos and trying to get you to see what we see. Now, my hope for these videos is that be able to learn from some of our successes as well as some of our mistakes. What we want to do is we want to show these videos to help encourage you and help if you're looking at or deciding or planning to do what we do at our age, at the age of 60, or even if you're planning on doing something like this at a younger age. What we would love for you to do is we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. We'd love for you to push the like button, the notification button. But I think most of all is we want to hear from you. What can we do, or what can I do to make this channel a better channel? What can I do to make this channel something that you're going to want to watch, follow, learn from, but also ask questions? Let me know what it is that you're needing, what it is that you want to know. Also, maybe it's something that you can share with us, what you've learned if you've traveled the globe like we're doing. So, as always, we'd love for you to keep dreaming, and we'd love for you to travel safe. We'll talk to you later.